every nation, love for country, whether called patriotism or nationalism, burns in the hearts of its people. But how do we truly show that love? Today, we'll see that it's more than just waving a flag.
Nabulabog ang mga residente ng Bugos City, Cebu nang muli silang yanigin ng aftershock kaninang madaling araw. Live mula sa Bugos City na sa frontline ng balita.
Dami na nangyayari sa Pilipinas.
Right. Not to mention, may paparating pa na bagyo.
Kailan kaya ito matatapos? Sunod-sunod na eh.
Oo nga, kailan ba kayo matatapos dyan? Tara na, baka malate pa tayo. Kailan ba tayo bibili?
The two of them walked away. John, however, just stood there for almost a minute, thinking about the families that lost their relatives and homes from the disasters.
Okay ka lang dyan?
Oo. May tinigan ako sa cellphone.
They all started to walk to their destination, talking about the things they will do there. At one moment, John stopped. He saw a stand.
Donation for people in Bugos, Cebu. Excuse me po,
Yes, sir.
makakarating po ba talaga ang mga donation sa Cebu?
Yes, sir. Sir, everything that goes into this jar will be sent to the people in Bugos City.
Without any hesitation, he grabbed the spare change in his pocket bag.
Kahit paano makatulong to.
Thank you very much, sir. Your help will be very much appreciated.
One of the traits Filipinos have been known for is unity, having each other's backs or simply helping each other in times of crisis, whether it's helping them physically, like the classic bayanihan, or by simply donating small funds or relief goods.
Oh, this is so nerve-wracking. What if I'm suffering kasi I'm different?
Good morning, guys. My apologies for being late. Don't worry about it. The important thing is we're all here now. Right? I almost forgot we already started designing the borders. Is that so? I'm really sorry to put the work on you guys.
Come on, it's not that deep. I mean, all the things I did was to buy the
Without further ado, Fatima started working on their slogan. After an hour of brainstorming and lettering,
I'm finally done.
Can we have a look? Unity and diversity.
Strength and unity?
Oh, how'd you even think of this?
Not to mention, he did all this in just an hour or maybe less.
Ang over nyo naman, di naman ganun kaganda.
Just say something.
Are you speaking other language? Fine. I admit it. I'm from Philippines and what I'm just talking about earlier is you guys are overreacting about my work.
Why didn't you tell us? That's right. We've been friends for almost a year now.
Honestly, I'm just scared of you guys might you find out that, Philippine. What are you talking about? Of course, we accept you for who you are.
I mean, honestly, we're in debt for you. You've done so much for us.
That's so nice, guys. Thank you.
Hey. Speaking of which, why don't you teach us some Filipino words?
Ako nga sigla. Okay na, basta libre ni mo. Okay, abi kong na kay porta. Ba lagi? Oy. Sakto na. Ako na bahala di nga. Basig mag-away na pud. Da. Dami na. Nagpila ganyan ito eh? Tulo.
Alaman lo.
Tulo. Huwag na kayo mag-away ha. Thank you. Sige. Uy, Di ba bawal na? Isa bawal? Tanang magtangan, maglakaw, mga manners. Ate pagbuot. Tura na pre. Ay, musigawa niya. Mangita na lang taglingkuranan para maundang ng away. Ta.
After a few minutes, they settled down on a chair. John finished first and decided to just leave his stick on the ground. Dane and Carlo, of course, saw him, and they decided to call him out.
Hoy! Ikaw ba? Huwag sa kikimuhat nga madyo ha? Ano na may gibuhat na? Galabay kang basura? Kasi basura nga, stick raman na. Pwede na ba stick na gamay raman na kayo? Kibaw ka gwapo, daghang pamaagi unsaon pagkorek sa usang katao, palingiw ko. Ayaw lang pud sing hagi. Og nga nang mag-away mo. Kapod gwapo, di kay magpataka-taka ra kag labay na nimong basura. Magtuon po kag maayong pamatasan unsaon paglabay na imong basura. Ug pag may makita nga basurahan, sa man ako ilabo. Imong ikip na imong basura gwapo. Og makakita na kag basurahan, pwede na nimo dadto saktong ilabay. Dili kay bisagasa ra nimo ilabay. Oh, diara imong basura. Ilabay nagsakto ha. Sana, panguli na ta.